Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Donnie's Pit Stop. I'm Donnie and we got a special episode lined up for you today. We're working on a 1998 Honda XR70. And as you can see, it's in pieces, but by the end of this video, it'll be back together. This is my buddy Adam. This is his motorcycle we're working on today. So this little motorcycle right here actually had a broken rocker arm. This one right here, you can see it's got both sides on it. It's in good shape, but this one got broke. You can see it's missing about half of it. It was actually cheaper to buy a whole new cylinder head than it was to buy one of these little missing pieces, since this is one of the most popular engines in the world. And we've started installing the rings on the piston.
Important to remember is face the words in towards the intake valve. In this case, that's going to be up.
Another important tip, when you're working on a motorcycle, you want to make sure you use motorcycle oil. It does have different detergents than a car engine oil.
There's bottom dead center. The top.
Heating up the head so we can get these studs out.
Slowly bolting this thing back together. I have it upside down because I've already drained the oil out of this thing a while ago, so it's I'm not too worried about any fluids leaking out.
Let's see if it runs. We can't get any air or gas, for that matter, to go through it. Now, some motorcycles you can rebuild the petcock, not this one. So we're gonna have to get a new petcock to get this thing running right. And we found out our carburetor's leaking a little bit as well, so maybe we need to make some adjustments. But the important part is that we got it running, so hopefully it'll be running perfect soon. The last part we were waiting for finally came in, and it's all back together. Let's take it for a ride. Obviously, as you can see, I'm a lot bigger than this bike is, and it's made for more of a small child, but it's still really peppy for how heavy I am and still fun to ride around the yard. Thanks again for watching Donnie's Pit Stop. If you've got a motorcycle at home, tell me about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for some more content. We'll see you next time.